Hello guys, I am Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is extra special because Karwa Chauth is just around the corner and I know many of us look forward to dressing up in those dreamy festive colors. So I have put together 6 stunning kurta sets in shades of red, pink, magenta, the perfect palette for Karwa Chauth and upcoming wedding season. All these pieces are from Myntra and in size L. And the best part, there is something for every mood, from grand organza to comfy pure cotton. And as always, I'll give you the real talk about fit, sizing, fabric, where you could wear them, or how I styled each piece. So let's jump right into look number 1. Okay, so let's start this haul with one of my favorite piece from this haul. This is a peach color beautiful set from Indo Era, and this one is giving full on Karwa Chauth and wedding vibes. So this kurta and dupatta is made in organza fabric and the palazzo comes in silk blend fabric. It is a simple straight cut calf length kurta with straight hemline. It has notch neck, 3/4 flared sleeves. What I love about this piece is that it has just the right amount of drama. Look at this zari border and embroidery detailing. It is there around the neckline. Look at this beautiful gorgeous yoke. It is there on front panels and it has nice broad border on the hemline. And look at these sleeves. Gorgeous, right? And then there is floral embroidery all over, which makes this piece a total showstopper. Scalloped edges on the kurta hem and sleeves gives it that desi touch. Now, Indo Era kept the trousers plain and it is made in silk blend fabric as I told you earlier. It is a really smart move because it balances the heavy embroidery work on kurta. It is partially elasticated, so it is super comfortable. Dupatta is again in organza in the same color. It has floral embroidery all over with scalloped edges around the border, which pulls the whole look together beautifully without being over the top. Now, if we talk about the fit, I have ordered my usual large size. Large size in Indo Era fits me perfectly well. It is really comfortable fit. It is not tight anywhere, not on tummy, not on back. It is just the perfect fit. And it is super comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel heavy at all. This is really a heavy set and we can wear this for wedding or Karwa Chauth. I styled it with this beautiful choker set. It is in pearl. It has the same earrings. I added these beautiful gold bangles. For the footwear, my clear heels. Okay, this next look is little different. It is from brand Rain and Rainbow and it is made in pure cotton fabric. So if you are looking for something festive but breathable, this set is for you. This kurta has nice anarkali shape in this gorgeous paisley print. It has V-neck, 3/4 sleeves. It is a calf length kurta with flared hem, and actually flare comes from these pleats below the neckline. So it gives you that nice volume without being too heavy. Plus it comes with 2 pockets, which is always a bonus for me. And there is this threadwork detailing around the neckline. On front panel, there is this white lace trim on sleeve edges, even on the kurta hem, which gives it that nice polished look. Trousers are kept plain, solid in same cotton fabric. They are partially elasticated and slip-on, so super comfortable. Now dupatta is again in pure cotton fabric, really soft. It is printed in same color, so it ties in the whole look together beautifully without being too loud. Fit wise, again this large size is fitting me perfectly. Plus this kurta has these nice gathers which hides all the tummy fat beautifully. I styled this look with these beautiful multicolored jhumkes, these pearl bangles. For the footwear, my go-to must harbor heels and I'm good to go. This look is perfect for upcoming Navratri season, Karwa Chauth Puja or any daytime festival. Okay, moving on to look number 3, and this one is again from Indo era, and I must say color play here is what makes it stand out. It is in this beautiful pink color made in silk blend fabric, has mandarin collar, 3/4 bell sleeves. It is a straight cut kurta with straight hem. Now what really grabs attention in this set is this beautiful blue and green contrast color yoke detailing. On the top of that, they have given this mirror work which elevates the whole look instantly. To balance this, they have given same blue-green border on the kurta hemline which has nice mirror work. Plus there is this delicate border on front panels too. Now let's talk about sleeves. Now look at these beautiful sleeves. It has this blue color vertical border with mirror work. Then there are these green color borders in diagonal shape, and on the sleeve edges there is this delicate border followed by silver stitch line. Isn't it gorgeous? Trousers are solid, plain, made in same color and silk blend fabric. They are partially elasticated with slip-on closure. Super comfortable and easy to wear. This set comes with very light chiffon dupatta. It is a simple plain dupatta in same color with the simple border around it. It looks gorgeous with this set, but this set can work without the dupatta also. Again, this set is from Indo era in size L. You can see it is fitting me perfectly. You can look at the front, back. It is absolutely comfortable for long hours. For the styling, I picked green color earrings. Look at these earrings and this green bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels. This set has nice mirror work, so you can wear this on Navratri, and yes, you can wear this for Karwa Chauth or during the wedding season. For any daytime event, this will work. Okay, moving on to look number 4. This one is from Kalini. It is made in silk blend fabric and it has nice gorgeous magenta color. This one feels festive but still super wearable. This kurta is in panel design in A-line shape. It is calf length with flared hem. It has V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, and there is this beautiful multicolored embroidery with sequins detail around the neckline and on sleeve edges. And then there are these small buttas all over the kurta. Elevates the look instantly. Because kurta is fully embroidered, they kept the trousers plain. They are cropped in same color, fully elasticated, super comfortable to wear. What I love most in this set is its dupatta. It is super lightweight, made in silk blend fabric and in same color. It has nice small butta embroidery all over the dupatta, followed by multicolored embroidery along the edges, and its edges are scalloped. I love scalloped edges because they give instantly desi vibe to the look. With this dupatta, this whole set feels very festive and polished. Fit-wise, again, it's a large size, fitting me perfectly. Whenever there is A-line shape, it hides all the tummy fat beautifully. Look at the back. Isn't it gorgeous? For styling, I picked up green color from this embroidery, these earrings from earlier look, gold bangles. In another hand, I wore this green bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels, and a festive look is ready. This set is perfect for any festive occasion. Next up is this peach colored anarkali set from brand Indus, and this one is giving such an elegant festive vibe. This kurta is made in organza fabric. It has empire style design and anarkali shape. It has this beautiful neckline, 3/4 sleeves, and there are these delicate buttas all over the kurta. And then there is this pretty white lace detailing around the neckline, and on sleeve edges softens the look instantly. This kurta is calf length with circular flare, so you can actually twirl in this. It moves beautifully when you walk. Trousers are made in silk blend fabric. They are solid, partially elasticated, super simple and easy to wear, nothing fussy. Now this set comes with really beautiful dupatta. It is in organza fabric, same color. It is a plain dupatta with the same lace detailing around the edges, and there is this beautiful embroidery details on the both sides of the dupatta. So it ties in the whole look together beautifully. It feels festive but light at the same time. Fit wise, again, this is a large size and fitting me perfectly. You can look at the back also. It is super comfortable to wear all day. For the styling, I picked up this off-white tone from embroidery. I paired it with these cute little white jhumkis, same pearl bangles. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and I am good to go. In this festive season, if you want something graceful and not too blingy, this set is for you. Okay, saving the best for last. If I have to pick one favorite from this entire haul, it is going to be this one. It's from House of Patauti. Kurta is made in super soft and comfortable viscose rayon fabric. It is a calf length straight fit kurta, but it has nice paneled design. It has this rounded V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. But what makes it special? The zari embroidery. You get this gorgeous, delicate floral embroidery along the neckline, on the front panels, and on the sleeves. It is not only done on sleeve edges, they have given this gorgeous vertical lines too, which elevates the look instantly. So, palazzos are kept plain, made in same fabric. They are in flared design with partially elasticated waistband. They balance the embroidery of kurta really well and super comfortable to wear. Set comes with super lightweight chiffon dupatta in same maroon color, and it has the same color border along the edges, which completes the look beautifully. It is light, flowy and perfect finishing touch. Fit wise, I ordered my usual large size, and you can see it is little too loose for me. Medium size will look better on me. So if you are ordering, please size down in this. For the accessories, I kept it light. Same from earlier look, cute pearl jhumkis, same pearl bangles. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and this beautiful look is ready. I will save this look for wedding reception or for any evening festive function because embroidery just lights up under the light. And that's the wrap of this Karwa Chauth special haul. I have covered 6 gorgeous pieces, all in shades of festive red and pink and everything in between. Honestly, each set comes with its own vibe, from dreamy and delicate to bold and royal. Let me know in the comments which one was your pick. This is the time of year when we actually built up our festive wardrobe. And because Mantra's big fashion sale is going to start soon, we can grab all those pieces at massive discount. So don't miss the opportunity. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!